Bright and colorful indoor plants thriving in water add a unique touch of nature to interiors. Their striking foliage, visible roots, and simple growing method make them attractive decorative elements. These plants combine beauty with convenience, offering a refreshing, low-maintenance way to bring life, color, and charm indoors. Let's quickly explore these plants. Wandering Dude. Tradescantia zebrina. Wandering Dude is a stunning indoor plant admired for its colorful purple, green, and silver-striped leaves. It grows exceptionally well in water, making it a popular choice for hydroponic gardening and decorative glass containers. The plant develops roots quickly from stem cuttings and thrives in bright, indirect light. Its trailing stems create a cascading effect, perfect for shelves, hanging displays, or tabletops. Easy to maintain and fast-growing, Tradescantia zebrina requires only regular water changes to stay healthy. With its vibrant foliage and adaptability, this plant adds beauty, freshness, and visual interest to any indoor space. Anthurium. Anthurium andrinum. Anthurium is a striking ornamental plant known for its glossy green leaves and vibrant, heart-shaped blooms in shades of red, pink, white, or orange. It can be successfully grown in water, making it an attractive choice for indoor decoration. When placed in a clear container, its roots create an elegant display while absorbing nutrients directly from the water. Anthurium thrives in warm conditions with bright, indirect sunlight and requires regular water changes to maintain healthy growth. Its long-lasting flowers and tropical appearance bring color, sophistication, and freshness to homes, offices, and other indoor environments throughout the year. Purple Heart. Tradescantia pallida. Purple Heart is a bold and eye-catching indoor plant known for its deep purple, elongated leaves and trailing growth habit. It adapts well to water culture, where its stems quickly develop roots and continue to grow with minimal care. The plant prefers bright, indirect sunlight, which enhances its rich violet color and keeps the foliage vibrant. In clear glass containers, its striking hue contrasts beautifully with water and roots, creating a decorative effect. Easy to propagate and maintain, Tradescantia pallida adds a dramatic splash of color indoors while offering a simple, modern way to enjoy greenery without soil. Prayer Plant. Maranta leuconura. Prayer plant is a captivating indoor species recognized for its patterned leaves that fold upward at night like hands in prayer. Its foliage displays intricate shades of green, red, and cream, creating a natural artwork effect. When grown in water, it develops delicate roots that thrive in clean, oxygen-rich environments with consistent care. The plant prefers filtered light and warm, humid conditions to maintain its vivid leaf patterns. Regular water replacement helps sustain its health and growth. With its unique daily leaf movement and ornamental beauty, Maranta leuconura brings a sense of calm, rhythm, and living elegance to indoor spaces. Coleus. Plectranthus scutellarioides. Coleus is a vibrant foliage plant prized for its multicolored leaves featuring combinations of red, pink, green, yellow, and purple. It grows easily in water, where stem cuttings quickly form roots and continue developing without soil. The plant thrives in bright, indirect light, which intensifies its rich leaf coloration. Regular trimming encourages bushier growth and prevents legginess. In transparent containers, its patterned foliage and visible root system create an attractive indoor display. Coleus scutellarioides is widely appreciated for its adaptability, fast growth, and decorative appeal, making it a lively choice for enhancing indoor spaces with continuous bursts of natural color. Chinese Evergreen. Aglaonema commutatum. Chinese evergreen is a highly admired indoor plant valued for its patterned leaves in shades of green, silver, and sometimes red. It adapts well to growing in water, where its stems develop strong, healthy roots in a clean glass pot. The plant prefers low to moderate indirect light, making it ideal for indoor environments with limited sunlight. Its slow, steady growth and minimal care requirements make it a favorite for beginners. With regular water changes, it remains fresh and vibrant. In a water pot, Aglaonema commutatum creates an elegant, modern display that enhances interior spaces with natural beauty and calmness. Croton, Codium variegatum. Croton is a dazzling indoor plant admired for its extraordinary leaf colors that blend shades of yellow, orange, red, green, and burgundy. When placed in water, its stem cuttings can form roots and continue growing with simple care and regular maintenance. It prefers bright, indirect sunlight to maintain its vivid and fiery foliage patterns. Clean water and occasional pruning help the plant stay healthy and visually appealing. Displayed in a glass container, its roots and colorful leaves create a natural decorative effect. Codium variegatum brings warmth, energy, and a tropical charm to indoor living spaces. Inch plant, Tradescantia fluminensis. Inch plant is a fast-growing trailing houseplant known for its glossy green leaves and soft, creeping stems. It grows easily in water, where cuttings quickly produce fine white roots and continue spreading with minimal effort. The plant prefers bright, indirect light but can also tolerate lower light conditions indoors. Regular water changes help keep it fresh and prevent stagnation. Its cascading growth makes it ideal for decorative glass jars or hanging displays. Tradescantia fluminensis adds a lush, lively green touch to interiors while offering an easy, low-maintenance way to enjoy natural greenery without soil. Rex begonia, Begonia rexcultorum. Rex begonia is an ornamental foliage plant admired for its dramatic, textured leaves in shades of silver, purple, red, and deep green. Its patterned foliage often has a metallic sheen, making it one of the most visually striking indoor plants. When propagated in water from stem or leaf cuttings, it can develop roots under careful conditions. The plant prefers warm environments with bright, indirect light and stable humidity. Clean water and gentle handling are essential for healthy growth. In a transparent container, Begonia rexcultorum becomes a living art piece, adding color, texture, and elegance to indoor spaces. Arrowhead plant, Syngonium podophyllum. Arrowhead plant is a versatile indoor climber known for its arrow-shaped leaves that change form as the plant matures. Its foliage appears in shades of green, cream, pink, or variegated patterns, adding soft color to interiors. It grows very well in water, where stem cuttings quickly develop fine roots and continue to thrive with basic care. The plant prefers bright, indirect light and warm conditions for best growth. Regular water changes keep it healthy and fresh. In a glass container, Syngonium podophyllum creates a graceful, trailing display that brings a light, refreshing, and natural aesthetic to indoor spaces. Snake plant, Dracena trifasciata. Snake plant is a hardy and stylish indoor plant known for its tall, upright, sword-shaped leaves with green and yellow variegation. It is widely appreciated for its ability to survive in low light and with minimal care. In water culture, leaf cuttings or root divisions can be placed in a glass container where they slowly develop healthy roots. The plant prefers indirect light and clean water that should be changed regularly to avoid rot. Its architectural form makes it ideal for modern interiors. Dracena trifasciata also helps improve indoor air quality while adding a strong, elegant green presence to any space.